Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make money by blogging, so stay tuned. So you want to learn how to make money by blogging? Let's first start with why you should blog. If you have a laptop, something you're passionate about, and you like writing, then blogging is definitely for you. When looking for answers on Google or Bing, people usually end up on a blog for their answers. People look for advice and answers on Google, and they usually stumble upon blogs, especially for product reviews. What's the last product you bought? Did you look up a review first? You probably did. With more and more tools on the internet each and every day, it's becoming easier and easier to make a name for yourself on the internet. Although there are a ton of blogs, you can still make a name for yourself. If you are consistent with blogging and you are able to leverage the correct SEO strategies for your blog, you will be able to rank in no time and take over the internet for your niche. So how do you make money blogging? There are many ways to make money through blogging. You can write product reviews from products on Amazon. You can also find other sites that have affiliate programs where you can promote their programs or products. All you do is you write a review and you put the link down below recommending it, and then if they click on it, you'll get a piece of that commission. That is awesome. The nice thing about blogging is that once you write the blog post once, somebody might buy it 4 or 5 years down the line, or even later. The content is persistent and it stays there as long as you keep the domain name and you keep the content hosted. Wouldn't it be nice to get an email saying you made $100 from something that you wrote 4 or 5 years ago? That is amazing. You can also sell private ad space to different companies, brands, and people that are trying to advertise. You can provide space for CPC or CPM ads. You can generate revenue by allowing businesses to advertise on your blog. Although people are taking up your blog space with different ads, it makes your site look more official and reputable if people are trying to fight for a chance to be on your website. You can also sell digital products or memberships related to your niche. Maybe you have your own special course that you want to offer people on how to become a professional chef. Or maybe you have a Facebook ads tutorial that's private and you have all the secrets ready to go. You can teach people these skills, sell memberships, and then make money from becoming a professional teacher on your own blog. Wouldn't it be great to teach people how much you love your passion and to make money while doing it? I think that's a great idea. That's what I'm doing. Blogging is a great way to get your name out there on the internet and to make some money along the way. I suggest you start a blog today. If you're gonna start your own blog, say yes in the comments below. If you like this video, click the like button, hit the subscribe, and then hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. I have a link in the description of this video if you want to make 6 to 7 figures online while blogging. Wouldn't it be great to make a full-time income just sitting on your couch writing about stuff that you love? That's it for now, guys. Thanks for listening. Take it easy. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.